What's up, world? It's your girl Ashton. We are back with a DIY. So I wanted to do a distressed type of jacket, and I decided, you know what? I'm not about to buy it. I'm just about to make it. So I made it, and I mean, this is what we got. Went to Walmart and got me a man's long sleeve denim button up shirt. I got it two sizes too big. So I wear a 1X. I bought a man's 3X. I just made these slits everywhere. It's not going to be precise. It's not going to be cute. You just make these slits where you see fit all around the shirt, the jacket, in the front, on the side, in the back, up and down. And that's what you see me doing everywhere. Lottie Dottie, everybody, everywhere. Gotta get it. Front and back. Now that I am done cutting up everything, I took some bleach and put it inside of a spray bottle. I'm just spraying it everywhere. And when I'm done spraying it, I'm going to crunch up my shirt and just pour the bleach in splats. That's what you see. The foam is the poured bleach on top of the shirt. And I'm just going to let it sit. And after it sits for a while, I'm just going to wash it, dry it, and let the washer and dryer do its thing to the shirt. And at the end of the video, you'll see the end